Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate. My name is Pedro Javier Guerrero, and today I want to show you how to use an interesting tools for develop this activity. This tool is called Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a pedagogical tool belonging to the Web 2.0. It's used to record what happened on the computer screen. This application is ideal for making short videos and explain any subject that you have stored in a PowerPoint presentation, Word format, PDF, or any other file that can be reproduced through your computer. This is the logo for Screencast-O-Matic. It's easy to find in the web. It's only to pay attention to the logo. Okay, when we want to download this app, the tool, we just have to write the name in this part of the Google and start with the download. The first page that we can find is this page. In this page we can start with the download in this part. It's only to push here and start with the download. When we have finished with the download, this is the main page that we can find. In this page we can see this square. This square we can use if we want only to use this part of the screen, or maybe if we want to use all of the screen. This button is if you want to all of the screen, or maybe you only want to use the webcam, or maybe you can use both of them. This tool is very interesting, guys, because it's very useful. I have used this tool many times for develop different activities. In fact, for make this video, this activity, I have used it because it's very easy for the student. Is you can save it in your computer and you can use it when do you want. Okay, now I want to show you what were the activities that I have designed for my students. The first activity is for a young children, because the idea with this activity is the student can identify the different parts of their body. For example, I have used a young boy, and in this picture we can see the different parts of his body, the back and the front, and I have done the same for the girls. The idea is no have any difference with the children's. For example, that's why I have used the picture for the woman. But it's the same activity. Identify the different part of our body. And after that I have designed this picture with the idea that the children can use this picture and they can they can identify the different parts of the body, and they have to write, for example, what's the name for this part of the body, what's the name for this part of the body, in the back what is the name for this part of the body. And I have done the same for the girl's body. The young girl uh, have to put the different name for the different part of the body. As second activity, I have designed this class. This class is called the WH question. In English, there are many ways to make questions. We can use the WH question for ask any questions. Use interrogative particular that this kind of work may confuse to the beginner students because are very similar, but we with the practice the student is could be able to use them the right way. In this part we have the different WH question, but the student can study and try to learn. Here we have a how to use this word with the fun pictures. We can see the how the students can use them. And here we have an example when we have to, or maybe how we can ask question for this word. And finally we have an activity when the children can practice this class. Okay guys, that's all. I hope you enjoy my video and wait for your comment. Goodbye.